You are about to take a trip to a very beautiful and comfortable place. Just make yourself as comfortable and enjoy your trip. Now, close your eyes and loosen up your body as you can. Now, begin by taking gentle, slow, and deep breaths through your nose. Now, you are looking down at a beautiful, peaceful lake while taking deep breaths and feeling a savory and refreshing smell coming into your nose. Now, you are looking at the stairs in the forest, leading down to a beautiful lake. Now, you are on the top of the stairs in the forest. You are at the stairs in the forest and surrounded by trees. At the bottom of the stairs, there is a very peaceful lake where you feel perfectly free. Each time you go down a step, you feel your body become more and more comfortable. Now you are going down the stairs. 10, 9, 8. Gradually, as you go down, you feel your tensions releasing. Feel your body become more relaxed each time you step down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Each time you go down, feel your body less tense and your mind more comfortable. 2, 1. All the tension is released from your body, and your body is finally lulled. 0. Your whole body becomes completely lulled, and your mind also becomes very comfortable. Now you are very comfortable, very comfortable. Here, the beautiful and peaceful lake spreads out before your eyes. You are perfectly comfortable in this place now. Now you are feeling the cool wind while looking at it. When you breathe in, you feel the cool air coming through your nose and filling your lungs. When you breathe out, you feel all the negative energies within your body releasing through your nose. Now you are feeling your body filled with the energy of forest. When you open your eyes, you realize that you have a strong and healthy body, and you will do everything with a positive mindset. Now, take 3 deep breaths and open your eyes.